Okay, so what do you understand about money?
It is what you pay with in the shops.
Yes, so you use it to pay for things, and money represents a certain amount.
Okay.
Okay, so here we're going to pretend that you robbed a bank or something because you have a lot of money here. Let me just make sure. Okay. There you go. And I'm going to take a bit of your change. So here we went to the shops now, and you get your own wallet.
Yeah.
Yes, cool. So I have real money, but I didn't have a lot of it, so I had to make other money because I am a broke student. Broke teacher. Well done. So this is money, and we know each note represents a certain amount. Now we also get change, so you can look at the different types of change and put them on the table.
You look like a rich teacher to me.
Yeah, no, well, I found the secret by printing money. So, and your name is Andy today, and we will be going to a shop to go buy some exotic fish. So you will be buying 7 exotic fish, and we will have to work out how much that will cost you. But for now, this is your wallet, and you get to choose 400 Rand. So can you pick out 400 Rand to use when you go into the shops? Okay, cool. That's your 400 Rand. You can put the rest of your money back. And then they go in your wallet. Oh, there we go. And now we're going to drive to the shops. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to this video where we will be doing word sums, and this one is about Andy's fish. So you can say hello.
Hello.
So what do you know about word sums?
That they give you all the information that you need to use to figure out the sum to get the answer.
Yes. So basically a word sum is doing maths in words by talking out a problem. Does that make sense?
It does.
Okay. So for example, I have 3 apples and I eat 1 apple. How many apples do I have left?
2.
Yes. So that is a word sum. Well done. How do we do word sums? So we start by reading the problem by ourselves, and then we read it aloud, and then we see what do we understand about the problem and how we can solve it. So our word problem is as follows. Andy's fish. Andy goes to the pet shop to buy 7 new exotic fish for his fish tank at home. He buys 4 orange fish at 34 Rand 60 each, and he buys 3 blue fish at 63 Rand 50 each. How much will his 7 new fish cost, Andy? So you can read it by yourself again, and then tell me what do you understand about this problem.
Okay. Do I need to read it out loud?
You can read it by yourself or out loud.
So what I understand is that you need to multiply the 4 orange fish
Yes.
by 34.60 Rand each.
Yes.
And then you need to multiply the 3 blue fish by 63 Rand 50 each. And then you
Yes.
combine the two answers to get the final.
Yes, so we add up the 4 orange fish and the 3 blue fish to get a sum, like a sum total, and then we know how much the 7 fish will cost. So if we buy 3 orange fish and one orange fish costs 34 Rand 60, what will we have to do? So as you said, we're going to multiply 3 orange fish by 34 Rand 60, and then we add it to the 4 blue fish. Is it 4 blue fish? Yes. No. 4 orange fish and 3 blue fish. Then we also multiply the 3 blue fish by 63 Rand 50. We can either say 4 times 34.60, or we can add up 34.60 4 times. But I think that multiplication will be quite quick. So there we go. I'm gonna give you. So I need you now to visualize that we are at home, and this is your fish tank with your fish that you already have right now. And I'm gonna just thank you. And now we're gonna go to the shops. So let's look at here. We have a price list. If you just needed a reminder of how much they cost. Now we're at the at the pet shop. Here's the price list, and here are some visuals of your fish, and their prices are also underneath, so you can count them out. So we have our orange fish and our blue fish. Okay. So how many blue fish is Andy gonna buy?
3.
Okay, well done. So you can look at them, which ones have prices underneath. There you go. Cool.
These 3.
Cool. Okay, would you like, I have a few pens here. Which one would you like?
The blue one,
The blue
please.
one, okay. So let's start with the sum. Here we go. Whoop. Yes, okay, cool. So let's start with the first sum. How much will 4 orange fish cost?
So
Yes.
so it's 34 plus
Yes.
that is
You can also do it, you can also multiply it if you would like. So let's see, we're adding up all the 6s. 6, 12, 18.
24. We put the 2 there. So it's
4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4, 8, 12. Shit.
16, 17, 18. We add the 1 there. That's 3.
Multiplication might have gone quicker.
12. So it's 13. That's the answer for 4. 4.
Well done. Well done. Okay, then we're gonna do 3 blue fish.
So it is 63.
Okay.
So zeros are zeros. 15. 9 is 10. 19. So for 3 blue fishes.
Well done. So you added up all orange fish and you added up all the blue fish. And now can you please add the two sum totals to tell us how many will the 7 fish cost in total?
Okay.
Well done. Okay. Now I'm gonna stop the video and then we're gonna. Okay. So now we're doing the second part of the sum. Let's get your paper. Here's your paper. There you go. Okay, so we did the first part where we said he buys 4 orange fish and he buys 3 blue fish, and we said 4 orange fish will cost 138 rand 40 cents and 3 blue fish will cost 190 rand 50 cents, and all together it will cost 328 rand 90 cents. If Andy only has 400 rand in notes to pay with, how much money will Andy be left with after going to the pet shop? So now we can work out. We have the total of how much the fish will cost, and then we're going to subtract that cost from 400 rand.
Okay.
Okay. So we're going to see what the difference is between the money you paid with and the amount you are paying.
Okay.
Okay, do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
Cool.
I think it's 71 rand.
71
10
rand
cents.
10 cents. Well done. Okay, so I am now the shop owner and you're coming to me to the till. Hold on. With your fish. So this one and this one and this one. There we go. They all have price tags on, and you're saying, "Hello, Mrs. Shop Owner. I am buying 7 exotic fish. How much is it going to cost me?" But you are so clever, you already worked out how much it's going to cost you, and you know it's going to cost 328 rand 90 cents. So I, as the shop owner, quickly do the sum and add these together and scan them at the till, and now know I need to get 328 rand 90 cents from you. So there are your fish. You can take them. And then please give me your money. Thank you. So you have 400 rand. And now we know that 400 rand minus 328 rand 90 cents is 71 rand 10 cents. So I, as the shop owner, owe you 71 rand 10 cents. And with that, we're going to look at my stash of money. And you can hold your money. Then we're going to act it out. How are we going to find 71 rand in the till with 10 cents? So, I think we're gonna take a 50 rand, and what else can we use to get to 71 rand 10 cents?
You can take a 20 rand.
Okay, well done. We can also use 2 10 rands if we wanted to, but let's stick to big numbers and big notes. And now to get 1 rand and 10 cents.
Take the 1 rand.
Well
not
done.
2.
and then we're looking for 10 cents. Well
Okay.
done. So now you were my shop assistant as well. Thank you. You can give me your money. Okay, you gave me your money, and I'm gonna give you back your change.
Thank you.
Pleasure. And then you have your 4 fish,
7.
7 fish, and your 3 fish, and 7. Well done.
Well, 4 blue and
4 and 3. Your 7 fish in total, and your change. And I have your money.
Thank you so much.
And now we are gonna be back home. Okay, now we can stop it and then do the. Okay, now we got home from the shop, and you have your 7 new fish, and we're gonna add them to the fish tank.
Yay. Fishy, fishy, fishy. No, I want to name this one Batman.
Batman, okay. That's a very cool name for a fish. Okay, thank you so much. Did you enjoy doing the word
I
salad?
did. Now I know what to do in the future.
I am so glad. You did so well. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, Miss Inge.
Okay, so bye.
Bye.
Thank you.